Breaking Barriers, the defining moments of the fall of the Berlin Wall. Welcome to INFOQUAKE. Today, we embark on a journey through one of the most iconic moments in modern history, the fall of the Berlin Wall. This video will take us through the origins, the tensions, and the transformative events that led to the reunification of a divided city. To understand the fall of the Berlin Wall, we must first look back to the aftermath of World War II. In 1949, Germany was split into East and West Germany, with Berlin itself divided between the Allies and the Soviet Union. Berlin, located deep within East Germany, became the symbolic battleground of the Cold War. Tensions escalated, leading to the construction of the Berlin Wall in 1961, a physical manifestation of the ideological divide. As the wall went up, so did the challenges faced by those on either side. Families were separated, and daily life in East Berlin became markedly different from that in the West. The wall was more than just a physical barrier. It was a psychological and emotional one. The 1980s brought winds of change, not only in Berlin but across the entire Eastern Bloc. Mikhail Gorbachev's policies of glasnost and perestroika encouraged openness and restructuring, sparking movements for change. As the political landscape shifted, so did the aspiration of the people. Protests erupted in East Germany, and demands for freedom and reunification echoed through the streets of Berlin. Fast forward to the night of November 9, 1989. In a surprising announcement, East Germany declared that its citizens were free to cross into West Germany. The news spread rapidly, and what ensued was a night of historic significance. Let's hear firsthand accounts from those who experienced the euphoria of that transformative night. In the aftermath of the wall's fall, Germany underwent a process of reunification. On October 3, 1990, East and West Germany officially became one nation again. But the story doesn't end there. Today, we see a reunified Berlin, a symbol of resilience and unity. The fall of the Berlin Wall not only changed the course of history but also left lasting lessons for generations to come. As we conclude our journey through the fall of the Berlin Wall, it's essential to reflect on the significance of this moment. The dismantling of a physical barrier brought people together and marked the end of an era. Thank you for joining me on this historical exploration. If you enjoyed this in-depth look into the fall of the Berlin Wall, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, signing off from INFOQUAKE.